Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify Collabs to recruit creators in the USA step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Shopify Collabs. Press enter to navigate to the Shopify Collabs login page. Look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Enter your email address associated with your Shopify account. Next, input your password in the provided field. If you prefer, check the box to remember your login details for future access. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After logging in, you will see the Shopify Collabs dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Recruit Creators section. Click on the Recruit Creators link to access the creator recruitment options. You can now search for creators using various filters. Use location filters to specifically target creators in the USA. Browse through the list of creators that meet your criteria. Click on a creator's profile to view their details. When you find a creator you wish to recruit, click the Invite button. Fill in any required information or personalized notes in the invitation. Review your invitation and confirm the details are correct. Finally, send your invitation to the creator. You can monitor the status of your invites in your dashboard. That's it. You have successfully logged into Shopify Collabs and started recruiting creators in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.